I'll go.
Oh, I've run into those stupid flowers.
No!
My name is getting bigger and bigger on ice. Quite funny. So is yours, to be honest. Like, more and more people recognize us.
Oh, I'm on
My mic no words.
There's some simps.
Hey, what are you trying? What are you trying?
Disgusting.
You got this, mate.
Okay. And he goes,
Yeah, no, Zero was like this. I told him that I wasn't joining
and
D&D.
they say ab zone untouched, but Zero's gonna touch it.
And Zero said, I'm gonna touch it. Zero's gonna touch it.
And I went, dude,
Hey, I'm throwing cords.
it's like the same as the other spots, you nigroid. Look,
Whoa.
come here! I see you literally going away.
Okay, hold on, but I want to check something.
Oh my god!
He's above you, straight up.
Vamos a ponerle un gorrito en punta. Y la tortuga que tenemos con montura, un gorro de esta mierda. Oye, 100 de vida esa tortuga. Y las teris están a punto de crecer más encima. Ahora sí damos un regalo, Neko.
Yeah, they are, but it's hard to freeze them, that's the thing.
Yeah.
I'm freezing an owl and blue up, by the way.
Yeah.
Fucking nerd. Piss off.
Froze me? Hopped off. Killed him. It's Raven OP. Okay, he's definitely dying now. What the hell is the game plan there? Yeah, on blue up, I killed him.
Oh my god, I'm quitting.
You just net your own thing. Holy shit.
Spider coming from you right now.
Wait, where'd you put my ass, girl?
He said, sorry, you didn't lose anything.
Tell him I lost the whole fucking kit and to give it back.
It should be your ESA.
Where's he at? Come on, keep tagging me. Come on, guys, keep tagging me. Keep tagging me while I'm jumping. Yep.
It's goose, right?
Boom, back to back, 2 shots while I'm falling. Yep, there's another clip.
What's the bed, bro? This is pissing me off. It's my fucking...
You want me to meow too? RAWR.
Am I tripping? That's good. Nice. Yo, Gilly Bear, thank you so much for the follow. Appreciate you. Not too bad colors either. That is a good one. I like it. 4.2 thousand health. Can somebody tell me if that's good? Wait, maybe it's not good. I could be wrong. I think 5,000 is better. It's like high stat.
What's a Cadius stream? I wear Cadius, I think. Oh no 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 no! Maximum precision. Maximum precision. Maximum precision! Fuck! Away, Sahade, away. I can't believe I just did that. Nobody clip that, please. What is that, like a boss fight a week? That's not that much, honestly. Okay. RARW XD. What do you mean, FAMAZ? You know what? Fuck it. Let's go all in. You want a Giga RAWR? I'll give you a Giga RAWR. RARW!